Yes, sir. In front of the office.
Yes, yes. Because English teaching and also for social studies teaching, it is important for all the books have some titles and some derivation all the textbooks. Okay. Now we will come to the subject. What is the historical writings and stories and writings? And take the class about culture and heritage. For that, we use all the places. Okay. Historical stories, forts, kings, tourist places. First of all, I introduce one paper for all of you. Please give some oral instruction and we will record all the things. Okay. Please stand up the Kirapa. What is it? King. Please come here. This is called as sorry. The word kings. Okay. Do you know about any king's name?
Sera, Sora, Pandya.
Very good, very good. In Tamil Nadu. Then
ಕೃಷ್ಣದೇವರಾಯ ಅಶೋಕ
so many people.
Harihara.
Harihara. Who is called as Harihara Bukka? Who is Harihara Bukka?
ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ
Who is Chera? Any examples about Chera? Sola? Audio? Yes. What is famous for himself? What is the famous nature of Senghor? What he helped for the writing of the yes. Silappadigaram, the famous prose in the Tamil. Okay. Anybody say about the literature during the period of Krishnadevaraya? It is a 7th standard and even in 5th standard.
ಅಮುಕ್ತ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ
Amuktamanya. It is in Telugu or Sanskrit or
ತಮಿಳ್ ತೆಲುಗು
Kannada?
ತೆಲುಗು
Very good. Very good. Next, please. What is the okay. Please see.
Another tourist place in Mysore. We see the Mysore Palace, Mysore Zoo, and Vrindavan Garden. Mysore is a beautiful city. And then one of the tourist places.
Okay. I see any Mysore places about beauty or anything.
Yes.
What is the special of Mysore Palace?
Vrindavan Garden light show is there.
Light show. Okay.
And glass museum is also there. And the ice house. Ice land is where the view. Okay, Dasra is also famous in the
Okay.
world.
Very nice. Nice. The festival and culture. What is this?
Force. My topic force. Red Fort is from New Delhi, Vellore Fort from Tamil Nadu, and Agra Fort from UP, Uttar Pradesh, and then Badami Highway in Karnataka. St. John Fort. St. John Fort from Chennai. This is
Chitradurga.
ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ ಪೋರ್ಟ್
Chitradurga, Badami Highway.
Changiri, Sakleshpura it is.
ಹಾಂ
Badami is,
Chennai.
boat is available. In high court,
Sakleshpura.
ಟೆಂಪಲ್
historical place and
ಹಾಂ
temple.
ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಸ್
That's a cultural place. But Badami is the
ಪೋರ್ಟ್
tourist, not the
ಪೋರ್ಟ್
place.
ಪೋರ್ಟ್
Who built the Badami port?
ಸರ್
Pulikesi.
ಪುಲಿಕೇಶಿ
23rd Pulikesi or first Pulikesi or second Pulikesi?
First.
First Pulikesi. Okay. Nice.
ಓಕೆ
All the topic of these points are recorded by the video. We will create some video by PowerPoint and also then YouTube video and KineMaster video and also any other InShot. So many apps is available for audio users, video records. Then we again put the videos as to see again how to read and what are the mistakes taken by himself. We will please.
Historical stories. Itself, it tells us historical history and where this world is story. So, history is full of stories of kings
Okay.
and society.
Here is one story.
Tenali Raman.
Yes, historical stories. Please come. And also,
I have to read it.
yeah, and also, yes. Your
2 members.
Please, anybody, please come. Please, you are thieves. Okay. Who will be thieves? Who will be thieves? Here.
Himself.
Tenali is a true boy. Like that, the words will be modeling. Okay. Please come. Tenali wife. You know about some thieves and the Tenali wife to get the jewel box.
Jewel boxes.
Okay. Please.
Clever.
Clever.
Please Tenali wife first.
Tenali, hear some voices.
Yes.
Tenali,
Jagdish sir.
There is some persons coming to the garden.
we will go to our neighbors.
No, we will wait for some time. We will wait for plan.
Adjust to him to get some idea by his clever knowledge.
Thieves.
Tenali is a clever boy.
Tenali is a clever boy.
Tenali is the clever boy.
Tenali.
Tenali.
Tenali planned to put the